Have you ever stayed quiet because you were scared to speak English?
Oh, yes, so many times. And I know that feeling. Your heart beats fast, your mouth is dry, and your brain just says, don't do it.
You're not alone, my friend. Every English learner feels that fear at some point. Today, let's learn how to speak English without fear.
Most people think I'm shy because my English is bad, but that's not true. You feel scared because you care too much about what others think.
Exactly. Fear is normal, but you can speak with fear and still move forward. Even teachers and native speakers feel nervous sometimes. It's totally okay.
That's true. I still get nervous when I record videos, but once I start speaking, the fear slowly goes away.
Yes, the trick is don't wait to feel ready. Just start talking, even with fear. Leo, do you remember your first big English moment?
Oh, yes, it was terrible. I was in a job interview and I said, I'm boring instead of I'm bored.
That's cute.
Yeah, but at that time, I wanted to disappear. But guess what? The interviewer smiled and helped me. That moment taught me something important. People are kind. Not everyone is judging you.
Exactly. When you speak with kindness and effort, people don't laugh. They listen.
Here's a secret. Confidence doesn't mean no fear. It means speaking, even when you feel fear.
Yes. Think like this. I'm learning English, not performing on a stage. You're allowed to make mistakes. That's how learning happens.
So instead of saying, my English is bad, say, I'm improving my English every day.
That small change in words changes your whole mindset. Before you speak English, smile, take a deep breath, and stand tall. Your body sends a message to your brain. I can do this.
Yes, and your voice becomes stronger. Try it right now. Smile while speaking English. You'll sound more confident instantly.
Practice time. Ready? Take a deep breath. Let's speak together. I can speak English.
I'm improving my English every day.
People are kind.
Confidence grows when I speak.
Great job. Feel that energy? That's your confidence waking up.
Now, your challenge today, say one English sentence to someone, even if it's just, hi, how are you?
Tomorrow, say 2. Step by step, your fear will fade and your confidence will shine.
And if you want to grow even faster, record one short English sentence and share it with a friend or in the comments.
You're doing amazing. Every time you speak, your English improves.
Tell us in the comments, what makes you feel scared when speaking English?
We'll reply and maybe feature your comment in our next video.
See you next time, and remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need courage.
Key phrases recap. I can speak English. I'm learning English. People are kind. Confidence grows when I speak. I don't need perfect English. I need courage.
If you like today's talk, don't forget to follow Next Stop English, your daily dose of confidence and fun English learning.